I'm Stella and this is Yoshi and we're opening today Sonic Boom and Mario Kart. So then we should open them up and guess what? I'm gonna choose a bag to see who see how much we can get. So there's 10 to get. Sonic's pretty cool. Tails it's pretty cool. See all those Sonics? And this is the mystery, and we know it's the same character as one of these. So see?
I'm just showing them so they know what you're talking about. So this is the mystery one that she's talking about. And who are you hoping to get?
I'm hoping to get Sonic.
So any of these?
Tails.
You want Tails? And I'm hoping for this girl. I don't know her name. I hope there's a guide in here because it's been a long time. I think his name is Dr. Robotnik, I think is his name.
Yeah.
It's been a long time since I've seen Sonic. So, all right, go ahead and open up your first Sonic Boom. There's a little tear. Let me see. Right here.
Oh, I see the tail.
Oh. Can you tear it?
I see the little tail. It's right. Oh, that's the bad guy.
Yeah. And there's no guide, but I'm pretty sure his name is Dr. Robotnik.
Yep, I got this one.
That's Dr. Robotnik, the bad guy. Look at him. Woo! He looks like a bad guy. Look at his big mustache.
Oh, please open this.
Sure.
That's them.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I got Sonic!
Awesome!
Awesome!
Now, is he the special one?
Mm-hmm.
Or is he just regular?
He's just regular Sonic. Look at his little cat on there. He's a cat.
Okay, so yeah, he is going to be this one. He's the fourth one in there. All right, pick something else. Yoshi, you can pick something. What do you want to open?
Mario Kart!
All right, yours is open on the bottom. Unfortunately, we bought it in the store, and I realized afterwards that his was already open. Like this. Look.
Oh, I got Wario! I got Wario!
So we got Princess Peach.
And we got Wario. Oh!
And Yoshi got Wario.
I saw the car with Wario.
It is
On
Wario.
the front.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I saw.
There's no guide. Oh, on the back, there's this guide. Bowser would have been cool to get. And Yoshi, Donkey Kong, Toad, Mario, Luigi, Peach, and Wario. So we have these two.
Oh, broke my feet. Alright, what way?
He is pretty cool. Slide him on over here. Burr. You gotta let go of the keychain part. There you go. Wario. All right.
Okay.
Pick something else. Sonic Boom.
I want to open this second Sonic.
You want me to open it for you? There you go. No, you had it. Try it. There. You got it.
I got Tails. Tails.
Cool. So far, we got the people that we wanted to get. Here, you want some help?
Sonic and Tails.
Let me see, Yoshi.
He has two tails on the back.
Let me help you.
Because that's why he got his tail. No, we have to can't see it. It's a secret. We're supposed to not see it. Oh, look it! He's looking at the sky.
Another Sonic. That one's, is it different or the same as Stella's?
Oh, let me see. Oh, different.
It is different.
I get Sonic.
Cool. So we have two Sonics, one Tails, and I'm going to say Dr. Robotnik, I think is his name.
Yeah.
Okay, open up your last one.
I'll get mine. And the third one.
The third one, you're right.
Third one.
Thank you.
I'm going to see the third one. What the third one looks like. Whoa.
Can you show him how to open his?
Oh, buddy.
No, let her show you, bud.
Oh, I got the girl's
Oh,
name.
cool.
I got the girl. Here,
I'll show him. Look. See this little tab right here?
you have to
You
pull
put your
it.
fingers on both sides and you pull one and you hang on with the other one.
Oh. Guess what?
What?
I got a glass. We got another Sonic.
Another Sonic? Holy cow.
That's what
And he's
Sonic.
the same as your other one. So you got
What?
2 of the same.
There's
You got
3
another-
of them the same.
They're close. They're almost the same. But see, this guy's running.
Yeah.
And this guy, he's stopping. See how there's a difference?
Like,
So they're similar, but they're not exactly the same.
look at. She's skating.
She's pretty.
Whee! Yahoo!
Okay.
Sonic,
So
come
out of
here.
the Sonic
Okay.
Boom and the Mario Kart Backpack Buddies, which one was your favorite?
Tails.
What about you, Yoshi? Which one was your favorite?
Tails and Sonic, both of them were my favorite. Wario!
Wario. You guys gonna play for a minute with them?
Mhm.
Okay. Oh no, Wario fell off a cliff.
Look at they're hugging each other.
Aww.
Have a good day at school. Okay, hello Sonic. Bye. Bye. Bye, Tails. I'm gonna run.
Remember, this guy's the bad guy.
Mhm. Hey.
Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. I do have a request. If you know this girl's name, leave us a comment and tell us who she is, because I don't remember her name.
I know her name, but I just don't remember it too.
I'm pretty sure you don't know her name because you've never even played a Sonic game before.
Amy. I watched.
Is it? It is Amy. You're right.
Mhm. Amy. Her name is Amy. This.
I don't
I
know
got
how he knew that,
Sonic.
but her name is Amy.
Sonic.
Okay, well, instead of leaving us a comment on that, why don't you leave us a comment on what you want us to do next?
Bye
And
bye.
If you liked our video, give us a big...
Thumbs up.
Be like Donkey Kong and give us a big thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs that way.
Or thumbs that way. Either way, give us a thumb. Thumb up or thumb sideways. But no thumbs down. We don't like those, right?
No. Thumbs this way.
Okay, bye.
Bye.